This book, coming with this book, is 2 episodes. They must have 3 episodes. No, they must have 4, like Pharmacy. The 2 books like that. But this book I print. I think I print this book. That depends. That book must play a big role for 2 of them. That book must play a big role for 2 of them. But I'm missing an episode for that. I'm working on it today to put together so you can have 4 of them. Yeah, after 4 of them complete, is this one, the final episode. This comic book will be the final episode for 4 of them. Is that me? Compared to me, you have 3, but you have a 5th book coming with this. Webtesia, and YouTube Kid, them 2 comic book coming together. This book coming with this book, and this book coming with this book. They need both of them, that book and that book. They coming together.